More and more people are skipping websites altogether and going straight to ChatGPT, Google's AI Overview, or Microsoft Copilot. They type a question, get an answer, and usually take it at face value. The problem is that answer might be pulling from a page you forgot to unpublish several years ago, or a Reddit thread, or last year's prices. AI doesn't know the difference between your current service page and a superseded PDF from 2021. It just finds the clearest thing available and quotes it. I'm Helena, and this video is one of a series where we're taking all those how-to guides from our website and turning them into something different to get through. Today, AI search accuracy, what it actually means for public sector comms teams and what you can do about it without needing a whole new skill set. The best thing you can do for AI search is the same thing you do anyway. Write clearly, keep your content current, and sound like a real organisation talking to real people. AI tools are trained on content that humans found worth reading and trusting. If your content is good enough for your communities, it's good enough for AI. So let's look at 5 practical areas to focus on. 1. Find out what AI is saying about you. Pick 10 questions that your residents or service users actually ask, phrased the way that they would ask them, not internal jargon, real conversational questions. Then put each one into ChatGPT, Google, Copilot, and use a fresh chat each time. And log 3 things. What did the AI say? What's actually true? And what did it cite as the source? If it's citing your own website, you're in good shape. If it's citing an old news article, a Reddit post, or a competitor, you've found a gap. You probably already have the data you need to choose the right questions. Your inbox themes, they're in your social media questions, your website search logs, so use those. Step 2 is to be the answer, not the essay. AI tools are looking for content that directly answers the question someone asked. If your page buries the answer 3 paragraphs down behind a welcome message and a policy statement, AI will often skip you and find someone who gets to the point faster. So put the direct answer in the first line of every service page. Use headings that match how people actually ask the questions. And date stamp anything with a shelf life, because AI uses dates to judge whether content is current. And if you have physical locations, check your Google business profile. AI often pulls opening hours and addresses from there rather than your website, and it's one of the most commonly out-of-date things that we see. Step 3 is to clear out your stale content. Old pages, superseded information about services, outdated PDFs, they don't just sit there doing nothing on the website. Yet people might not be reading them, but AI might well be finding them and quoting them as your current position or facts. Audit your site for anything that hasn't been reviewed in 12 months or more, then either update it, redirect it, or unpublish it. PDFs are particularly worth looking at. If a document contains information that changes annually, such as prices, dates, eligibility criteria, consider replacing that with a web page that you can easily keep current. Your old content is a competing source of information, and AI might be treating that as official. Step 4 is to be the source during incidents. Now, during a fast-moving situation, people ask AI what's happening and what to do. If your own site doesn't have clear, current information, AI will find something else. And that something else might be hours old, days old, or just wrong. Publish it on your website before or alongside your social media. Social posts are harder for AI to find and cite than web pages. So choose to update a single page with rolling timestamps rather than publish 5 separate news releases across a week. That will really help. Clear factual headings help too. AI and your audiences need to be able to find the right information fast. Step 5 is to keep your content human. There's a real irony in responding to AI search by filling your site with AI-generated content. AI tools are trained on content that humans found worth reading. So generic voiceless pages don't build the trust signals that make AI choose to cite you. They dilute them. Use AI to help with research, structure and editing, but voice the judgment calls. Here's what this actually means for you. Keep those human. That's what makes your content worth trusting, for all the people reading it and for the AI deciding whether to quote it. To bring this all together, AI search isn't a technology problem, it's a content quality problem. And public sector communicators have been working on content quality for years. The organisations that AI will trust and cite in 5 years' time will be the ones consistently publishing clear, current, human content that their communities can rely on. That's already your job. AI just made it more visible. If you'd like to download the free checklist and audit log that we've got for you, I will pop the link below. There is more in this series covering the practical side of communications. Watch these videos in whatever order is useful to you and subscribe if that's helpful. And I will see you in the next one.